So I got some video clips the other day, but of cutting this tree down here. But it took too long. My camera died. I didn't actually get the fall because it was stuck on that little tree right there. It was just up against it. But I got 3 logs there, 2 8s and a 10 to haul in with the rest of the logs. And then I got 2 more trees to cut down over here that are dead, and I should get a few logs out of them, hoping to get them loaded up in the trailer today or tomorrow and get a load. So yeah, I'll go over. I don't know, this chain might need to get swapped out with one that I've sharpened, but we'll see how it does. Alright, so I got this tree here that's dead, all the top's gone, and this tree back here that's dead behind it. I'm going to try to drop them both out that way, just so they're out and easier for me to get to. It's kind of thick in here. This is nice weather. It's going on 40 degrees today. Blue sky. This is a good day for kids to go outside, play in the snow, go sled riding, or if you have a snowmobile, go out and go riding, because it's not cold. But middle of this past week, it was 0 degrees, negative, with a wind chill of like -20, so it was pretty cold. Alright, let's see if we can knock these 2 trees down, get some wood to haul into the mill. Well, that tree's pretty rotten, so when it fell over this log pile down here, the top kind of broke off. Still might get 1 or 2 logs out of it, of the bottom trunk, but get some firewood. You can see down there how it's kind of rotten pretty bad. Birds are getting it and everything. Well, we got a couple trees to cut down back there too in the area we're clearing. It's so nice out today, I love it. I'm pretty much in a t-shirt. I've had my jacket on and off. I'm gonna clean this up now. Get this wood that's not usable in that burn pile. Get a log cut out of this one. Hey, come on. Get a log cut out of this one. It's got a little bit of a bow to it. Maybe 2 8-footers, I don't know. Let's see what the tape measure gives me and do the best cuts. Maybe 8.5 footers. Alright, time to clean this mess up. I got a 10-foot 6 log and a 8-foot 6 log there. I'm not sure about that. It's green when you split it, but kind of has like a black stain. So I'm not sure if they'll take that at the lumber mill or not. We'll find out. Alright, so back here where we're clearing the spot, all this is going to get cleared out except for some of these trees. This tree's dead. This tree's dead. And where's it at? Sorry. This tree, and this tree are dead. Got this leaner here, probably gonna take down. I'm gonna focus on these three and drop them. Get some. I don't think these two are big enough for saw logs, but this one is. So I'm gonna drop these two little ones down real quick. Hopefully the sun isn't too bright. It's right there at the hinge point. I'm just gonna tap it, make it fall. Well, back out here, day two. It's 50 degrees out, so really nice. You could work in a t-shirt. I'm gonna cut these two logs up. They're too small for millwood, so they're all gonna get cut into firewood. And then I'm gonna take this tree down here. I'll get some logs out of that, and then I'd like to get, I got 5 logs right now. I'd like to get drug out and loaded, but we'll see. Plus I'll have a few out of this one so I can have a load to maybe run tomorrow, but we'll see. So I'm gonna take the tape measure out 16-inch sections. I mark them with like Milwaukee crayon. So I'm going to continue to do that for the rest of the other tree. We'll be right back. I don't know if it picked up in the last video, the GoPro. I don't know if it didn't like the weather or what, but I don't have a nice cart like Outdoor with the Morgans, that Rural King hydraulic dump bed with the tandem axle. We got this Craftsman tractor cart, but it's better than carrying it out or whatever. Wheelbarrow. We will get a side-by-side eventually. Cool. Got everybody working.